To update your company information, you need to submit an information change request. Some updates will be automatically approved, while updates to certain fields will require approval from EVA vendor support. So how will you request an information change? Begin by selecting the Request Information Change button. Then, update the desired information and enter a reason for the change. Submit the change by clicking the green Submit for Approval button at the top of the screen. When updates don't require review by EVA vendor support, the account is automatically updated. Review and approval is required by EVA vendor support for the following types of changes: Taxpayer ID or TIN type, tax address, street, city, state, zip code or country, name as shown on W-9, company name, organizational type, supplemental organizational type, LLC classification, or tax-exempt status. Upon approval, you will receive a notification confirming the change. An information change request is not required when updating information in the Addresses tab and Qualifications sections. On the Addresses tab, you can make updates to your company's order address, physical address, billing address, and payment address information in the Addresses tab. You can also make updates to the Additional Information section in the Qualifications tab. To add a document, you would upload the document and enter document information in the Documents and Certs tab. Note, certain document types will require approval from EVA vendor support. You can view, edit, or upload new documents by selecting the Add Legal Documents, Add Certifications, or Add Other Documents buttons. Once you select any button, the Edit Document screen will open. This is where you are able to view information about your documents and upload new documents. You can create additional contacts for your account and invite the new contact to log in and create a password. So how do you create additional contacts? Here's how. On the Contacts tab, you can create a new supplier contact by clicking the Create Contact button. Next, on the Supplier Contact Management pop-up box, fill out the information needed to create a new contact. Click Save and Close. Once the contact has been created, click on the envelope icon to send an invite to the new contact with information about activating their user account. An email is sent to the new supplier contact, instructing them to log in and create a password. The new contact will be required to accept the MOA before logging in for the first time. Once these steps are performed, the new contact user account is active. Stay tuned to learn more about what information is stored in each tab of your supplier record.